Welcome, in front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, you will need to meet a couple of conditions. The first one is to copy a Google account to your watch. So basically your watch needs to have a Google account on it so you can use the Google services. You need to have the internet connection on your watch. So basically Wi-Fi or LTE. And finally, your watch needs to be paired with a phone, but that comes with the Google account thing, because to add the Google account to the watch, you will need to have the watch paired with a phone and then copy that account from that phone to the watch. That's how it works. And once you have the Google account and the internet connection, you can simply open the menu, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, you can scroll through the categories and find this Browse Watch Faces, and you can tap on it. And here we have the watch faces. And let's say I'm gonna tap on See More to open the seasonal watch faces and see if we can find something interesting. Let's say this one. And once you decide to install the watch face, you can tap on it to select it. Here we have the description, the reviews, the screenshots. And then we can tap on this big Install button. You can turn on the option to always set the watch faces you install. I'm just gonna keep it disabled and then tap on the check mark. And after it's done installing, you will see this set button. And you can tap on it to set the watch face. And now if you go back to watch face, the watch face should be applied. You can always also open the watch face menu, and it should be right here, and you can basically select it by tapping on it and applying it. Same with the one that I downloaded now. Like this. And basically that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.